Hello and welcome to the third Python coding challenge. I hope you're enjoying this series, and if you are, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any further episodes. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below. Now though, let's get straight into today's challenge. As I'm sure you've guessed from the title of the video, the challenge for today is to write a function which can encrypt a sentence. The particular encryption we will be using today is based on a very simple principle. Each letter is substituted by the letter 2 spaces further along the alphabet. As an example, let's say we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. If we shift the alphabet by 2 places, we get that each of these letters would be substituted by C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Also, it is important to note 2 things. First, all letters are lowercase, and any symbols, numbers, and spaces remain the same. In other words, only letters are encrypted. In addition, for all of you who would like a more difficult challenge, here is a slight variation. Write a function which can be used for both encryption and decryption. In other words, you can take plain text and encrypt it, but also take encrypted text and return it to its original state. As always, here is a test to see whether your function works correctly. Take the sentence, "This function is capable of successfully encrypting a sentence." If you've written your function correctly, the resulting encrypted message should read as follows. I wish you the best of luck in completing this challenge, and as usual, if you wish to revise any topics or get inspiration from previous challenges, you can access my Python tutorial series and my previous coding challenges by clicking on the box in the top right-hand corner of your screen or on the link in the video description. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next week for the solution to this challenge, and in the meantime, happy coding!